welcome to my page, Lisa B Influence. Hi everyone. Okay, so in today's video, we'll talk about how I changed my life after my mother's passing. So before she passed, I was in a relationship. I've met this guy at work. He was at my workplace. So I've mentioned in the previous videos that I worked in a car wash. So that's where I met my partner then. Okay, so my mother passed on. We had to bury her and everything. Yeah, I guess things had to move on. It was November and it was a quiet December. I remember because that one, it hit me so hard because it was the first December without her, and we just buried her in November. It was heavy. It was not an easy December. It didn't feel like the normal December, so it was different. Okay, so fast forward, my mother's passing, it hit me hard. I remember when I come back from work, I'll get home and I will want just something. I'll drink a beer and smoke just to forget, to avoid the pain. So luckily my boyfriend then, he asked me what do I want to do. So I told him that I want to finish my studies. I want to go back to school because that was my agreement with my mom. Because she was like, okay, once I'm back to normal, I'm in good health, I think you should go back to school. And yeah, we were working on that. Okay, so my partner was like, okay, find the school around you. So I didn't even know how to do the online applications, all of that stuff. So I tried. I did get few helps from friends, and I didn't get any space with the colleges. So it's like, okay, you can move, maybe come to where I am, maybe come and live with me, and you go to school so you can carry on with your studies. And this situation would make me realize, like, also my mother, I could say, also my mother, for her to leave the kids, to leave us with our grandmama, it wasn't really like she wanted to. I think it was because of the situation then that what put her there. So I had to leave my mom's house, me, my brother, and my son. So I had to take them to my uncle, okay, my elder uncle. So I left them with my uncle. So I moved in with my boyfriend. The first month we went around, applied for school, registered me. I started studying and it went well. I passed my level 4, I completed my matric and everything, the colleges. So he did a lot when it comes to my education. He invested a lot. So from there I got a job. Not a job per se, a learnership. I got a learnership as a call center. So as I was working on money, like we agreed to bring my son to live with us. So my son joined me. My brother, he was a bit older. He was like, no, I don't want to. So he stayed at home until things were not fine, until he was not happy, and we found him his own place, like to rent. So we rented him his own place, and only one thing that I used to ask him for, it was just to finish school, pass his matric, and just I wanted the best for him. And exactly what we asked him for is exactly what he gave. He gave us. He did well in school. He passed his matric so well. I was so proud as an elder sister, being a good influence or being a good parent to my brother. So as a firstborn girl, it's not easy. Being a firstborn child is not easy, and losing the parents, you're the one that takes full responsibility of your siblings. But yeah, it's life, I guess. We have to do what we have to do. So my life, that's how it changed. Okay, please, if you watch till this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.